Hello there. Ever wonder why people don't last on social media? Social media looks fun, right? Fame, followers, sponsorship. It feels like everyone wants to be the next viral star. But here's the truth. No money talks about most people don't actually last. Today, let's talk about why. First off, let's talk about burnout. The internet doesn't sleep, and the algorithm doesn't care about human mental health. If you stop posting, you stop growing. That pressure makes creators feel like machines instead of humans. Second, there's the problem of chasing clout. A lot of people start just for attention, not passion. And when the views stop coming, they quit. That's why you see so many abandoned YouTube channels, TikToks, and Instagram pages. And then there's comparison. People see MrBeast or other big creators and think they'll get there in a year. When it doesn't happen, they feel like failures, even if they are doing better than 90% of people online. So the next time you think about becoming a creator, remember social media isn't just about going viral. It's about discipline, passion, and consistency. Otherwise, you'll be just be another name on the list of people who gave up. Anyway, that's my take. What do you guys think? Is social media toxic or is it just how people use it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more.